Let's dive into this Netflix vertical put trade. We're going to dig deep into it, show you how we made the decisions. Welcome to the channel. Please like and subscribe. It's very important for us because we spend time to do these videos and it's a lucrative one. So please like, subscribe, and gives it a thumbs up. Let's get right into it. Thank you so much. 1st of July 2024, and we're going to be quickly looking at the charts and making a quick trade, show you how you can make some money. And this video is just for educational purposes, it's not financial advice. So take it for what it is, but it's very good material. You develop a skill and learn how to trade and trade these simple strategies. You can make passive income going forward. Not telling you to leave your 9 to 5 jobs, but it's always nice to have passive soft income coming in on the side. All right, let's get into it. This chart is coming off Yahoo Finance, and so I use them. They have very good charts there. So, regardless of the fact that you have a trading platform, it's good to use a secondary source to get your charts and your graph. And so, I've identified the Netflix stock price as a very good one for a vertical put. I'm very bullish on Netflix, and that is what is required when you're doing a vertical put. I've also draw uh, an upward trend line, so you see that going on there. The Bollinger Band is bouncing off the median line as well. So all the indicators here are showing that the stock is in an upward trend. So I've condensed my trade into one sheet, really explaining everything in terms of my stock option chain. I'm using Netflix stock. I'm going to be doing what is called a vertical put, and I've been through this scenario many times. I'm going to show you a live trade, which really I'll be executing a vertical put by selling one contract at 650 and buying back another one at 647.5, and that will be giving me about 17 cents in terms 17-18 cents in terms of premium back into my account. I mean, it may, after the cost and everything to the broker, it comes out at 15.88. It cost me $234 to do this trade. So technically, what I've done, just to backtrack a little bit, is I've used a delta of 10, and I'm using an out of the money percentage of about 89, which is very attractive and explain and expresses that, hey, you have an 89% chance of success if you were to do this vertical put. And that is what we are talking about. We're talking about using the platform to give us numbers. We're going to be interpreting those numbers just like I've done. I've also looked at the chart and showed me that Netflix was on a uptrend. So I am expecting the stock to be bullish going forward for several months out. So I've taken on this trade and it expires on July 5th. So we'll wait and see what happens there, and I'll get back to you with the results then in a combined video executing the trade which I've just shown you and showing you the results come Friday. So see you in that video. Netflix closing at $690.65 after close of trade on Friday. And so what has happened to the vertical put that we executed on the 1st of July? It closed out of the money as the stock price closed at 690 and the vertical put was at 650, 647.5. And we ended up, yes, we ended up with about $16 net. And that is a transaction that cost us about $2.34. And so in 5 days, we ended up with a return of about 6.8%, which is very, very significant, very lucrative, and very admirable. And if we can do that every week, we'll be making a ton of money, especially if we're increasing the contracts. So we only had one contract there, but this is a very good example of how the vertical put is very lucrative, how it's very profitable, and also the risk is very low. I think that vertical put had a probability of success of about 88%, which is saying to us that, hey, you have 12% chance of the trade not being profitable. So very good. We're going to do this again next week. So take a note. Send me all your questions, email me, make all your comments, and I'll be happy to get back to you